Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of investing by discussing one of the most successful investors and portfolio managers in history, Peter Lynch. We'll explore his background, his investing strategies, famous quotes, and how you can apply his wisdom to your own investment decisions in today's market. So, grab a notebook and let's get started. Peter Lynch is a legendary investor who gained fame for his impressive track record as the portfolio manager of Fidelity Magellan Fund from 1977 to 1990 under his management. The fund averaged an astonishing annual return of 29%, making it one of the best performing mutual funds in history. Lynch's success can be attributed to his unique approach to investing, which combines fundamental analysis with a focus on understanding the businesses behind the stocks. Peter Lynch's investing strategies are a product of his deep understanding of the market, keen observation skills, and extensive research. He developed his strategies by paying close attention to the world around him, identifying opportunities in everyday life, and recognizing trends before they became mainstream. Combining this real-world awareness with rigorous fundamental analysis, Lynch delved into company financials, scrutinized balance sheets, and assessed growth prospects to determine the potential of an investment. His strategies also emphasize the importance of patience, long-term thinking, and staying invested through market ups and downs. Lynch's ability to merge his insights from daily life with thorough research and analysis allowed him to create a unique investing approach that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire investors today. Lynch's investing philosophy can be summarized in a few key concepts. 1. Invest in what you know. Lynch believes that individual investors have an advantage over Wall Street professionals because they can spot opportunities in their everyday lives. By investing in industries and companies that you understand, you can make more informed investment decisions. 2. Look for growth stocks. Lynch is known for his affinity for growth stocks, or companies that are expected to grow earnings faster than the market average. He prefers to invest in these companies when they are undervalued, offering the potential for significant capital appreciation. 3. Focus on fundamentals. Lynch emphasizes the importance of analyzing a company's financials, including its earnings, sales, and cash flow. He looks for companies with strong balance sheets, consistent earnings growth, and reasonable valuations. 4. Be patient. Lynch advises investors to hold on to their investments for the long term, allowing them to ride out market volatility and benefit from compounding returns. Peter Lynch has shared many investing insights throughout his career. Some of his most famous quotes include, "In the long run, it's not just how much money you make that will determine your future prosperity. It's how much of that money you put to work by saving it and investing it. The real key to making money in stocks is not to get scared out of them. Know what you own, and know why you own it." These quotes emphasize the importance of understanding your investments, having conviction in your decisions, and staying invested for the long term. To apply Lynch's strategies in the current market scenario, start by identifying companies and industries that you understand and believe have strong growth potential. Research these companies thoroughly, analyzing their financials and competitive advantages. Look for undervalued growth stocks and be prepared to hold on to your investments through market fluctuations. One example from Lynch's own portfolio is Dunkin' Brands, which he invested in because of its strong brand recognition and growth potential in the quick service restaurant industry. By following Lynch's advice and focusing on companies you understand, you can make more informed investment decisions. Throughout his illustrious career, Peter Lynch made several remarkable predictions that showcased his keen understanding of the market and his ability to identify winning investment opportunities. One of his best predictions was foreseeing the growth of the retail sector in the 1980s. He successfully invested in companies like The Gap, Toys R Us, and Home Depot, which went on to become household names and generated impressive returns for investors. Another notable prediction was his early recognition of the potential in the technology sector. Lynch identified and invested in companies such as Microsoft and EMC Corporation long before they became industry giants, reaping substantial gains from their exponential growth. These accurate predictions are a testament to Peter Lynch's investing acumen and his ability to spot trends and opportunities ahead of the curve. Beginner investors may encounter some challenges when trying to follow Peter Lynch's strategies. Common misunderstandings include: 1. Misinterpreting invest in what you know. this does not mean investing solely based on personal preferences or familiarity. Instead, it means conducting thorough research on companies within industries you understand, ensuring a solid foundation for your investment decisions. 2. Overtrading. Lynch advocates for a long-term approach to investing. Frequent buying and selling of stocks can lead to higher transaction costs and missed opportunities for long-term gains. To wrap up, here are some key takeaways from Peter Lynch's investing strategies that you can incorporate into your own investment approach. 1. Focus on industries and companies you understand. 2. Look for undervalued growth stocks with strong fundamentals. 3. Be patient and hold on to your investments for the long term. 4. Continuously educate yourself about the businesses you invest in. By following these principles and learning from Peter Lynch's wisdom, you can make more informed investment decisions and build a successful portfolio. From Peter Lynch's remarkable investing career, we can glean several valuable lessons that can guide our investment journeys. One crucial lesson is the importance of investing in what we know and understand. By focusing on industries and companies we are familiar with, we can make more informed decisions and identify potential winners early on. Another key takeaway from Lynch's approach is the emphasis on patience and long-term thinking. Staying invested through market fluctuations and allowing our investments to compound over time can lead to significant wealth creation. Additionally, Lynch's focus on fundamentals teaches us to look beyond short-term market noise and concentrate on a company's financial health, growth prospects, and competitive advantages. Finally, his success underscores the importance of continuous learning and staying curious about the businesses we invest in. By applying these lessons from Peter Lynch, we can cultivate a more disciplined, informed, and successful investing mindset. That's it for today's video. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more investing insights. Let me know in the comments what you think about Peter Lynch's strategies, and if you have any other investing legends you'd like me to cover. Until next time, happy investing.